Hi everybody, I'm Diamonds the Magical Clown. A lot of you probably know me from Northeast Ohio, performing at children's birthday parties and corporate events and all type of children events around Northeast Ohio. Well, today I am going to teach you all how to make pizza, because every time I go to a party, that seems to be their all-time favorite, pizza. Not only is it going to be economical, because I know since the price of everything has gone up, everybody's trying to save money. All right, so I'm going to teach you how to save money and put fun back into the party, because you can teach the kids how to make their own pizza. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to make our own pizza with English muffins. Okay, we'll use English muffins. We're going to do pizza sauce, green peppers, and cheese. And of course, I like the turkey pepperoni. You can use turkey pepperoni, or you can use pork pepperoni. And what I did was this: I split open the bagels right here. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to use lemon pepper seasoning to season up the tomato sauce. Gives it a little zest. So I'm just gonna pour this all over. You see how I just have a layer of it on top like that, and then I am going to just stir this up like that, and then you can taste it and sample it and see. Now I know that I like a lot of lemon pepper in mine, but if this is your first time doing this, you're going to want to taste it. Alright, now we have the green peppers, and if your kids don't like vegetables, you can grind the green peppers in a blender and mix it up with the tomato paste with the pizza sauce. In my other cooking videos, that's what I did with a lot of my recipes, and the children just like it. They like it very much. So anyway, what we're going to do is this. We're going to put pizza sauce on top of the English muffin. I'm going to do 2 of these, because one of these I'm going to put the cheese on top of the pepperoni, and the other one I'm going to put the cheese before I put the pepperoni on it. Now, yeah, I like green peppers. Okay, now for the cheese, and the children will enjoy making this with you. Now for the pepperoni. And now this one, we're going to put the cheese on top of the pepperoni. I'm experimenting because I want to see how it's going to taste. Now we're going to put the cheese on top of this. Okay, now everybody, I'm gonna put this on a little tray and put it in the toaster oven for about 10 minutes, 10 or 15 minutes. You want to put it in there until the English muffins, until they're toasty.
Okay.
Hi everybody, I'm back and the pizza is ready. And what I did was, this is the pizza where I put the cheese underneath the pepperoni. And this little piece right here, I put the cheese on top of it. And let me taste it. Let me see which one I like the best. Delicious. Delicious. Oh, let me see this one. Okay, I personally like the pepperoni on top. I prefer for the cheese to be closer to the pizza sauce. That way it mixes in better to me. So, all right, everybody, there you have it. The results are in.
Bring them up. Bring that up. Them other two. Show them other two.
Okay, and these are the other two. All right.
Okay.
All right, cut it. Making pizza for your kid's birthday party. You can put the excitement and the fun back into their party. And thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.